Okay, you guys, I have to show y'all this. I don't know if y'all can really see the craziness and the depth of this snow, but it's literally covering the top of the fence. We are currently having a winter blizzard. You can't even see, but that's supposed to be the road over there. Like, Minot is literally covered with snow right now, and they have shut down pretty much the whole city because of this craziness. Like, and here is the front of the house. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't want to go completely out there, but people's trucks, like that's a truck, it's already halfway covered. Like, people's trucks are getting snowed in. Like, this is really insane. Hey y'all, so literally, okay, what day is it? I think it's the 13th of April. Excuse me, I just came from waking up from a nap as well as meditating. So like, I just got done meditating. But anyways, y'all, so they canceled work today and they let us go home early yesterday because there was supposed to be a blizzard. They were saying that we were gonna get like 30 inches of snow here. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think that that was gonna actually happen, but let me show y'all. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so y'all can't really tell from like where I'm showing y'all. Oh, actually, yes, you can. Okay, so if you can see that that's the top of the fence and the snow is literally all the way up there. So, and then you can't even really see, like, the wind in the snow is coming from the side. So, granted, a lot of this right here is because it is coming from the side, but that is still so much snow. Like, oh my god, I don't know how to express how much freaking snow is out here, but it's literally a lot. Like, Roman can't even go to the grass and use the bathroom because there's so much snow. They closed the roads down. They pretty much said nobody can leave their house and drive. Well, shoot, you can't even drive. My boyfriend's roommate tried to drive, or he just wanted to see what it would be like. He got stuck in the driveway. Like, there's no leaving. So we just been home, and we're supposed to be teleworking. I was trying to telework, but my freaking working laptop died and it's not working and the charger's not working, so whatever. But anyways, yeah.
It's melting, that's why we need that.
That's good though.
I know.
I can't even see what is on this camera because
It's so bright out here.
it's so damn bright. All right, Roman. Oh, you have other shovel. Okay, good. Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. Go, Stinky. You like the snow, Papa? I know. You like the snow, Stink? We gotta push it that way. Okay. Y'all, I can't even see. I'm trying to get to my car so I can put some sunglasses on. Because I can't see. I'm about to show y'all what my car looks like. You guys, we made it out the house. And this is my car. I'm finally able to get to my car, but look at this. This is on my car. Look how this snow is coming. Ah, look at that. Oh, that was good. That was a good one. I just need to get in my car to get my sunglasses. Oh. You guys, this is so insane. You guys, my car is literally covered with snow. Ugh. So right now we're getting ready to shovel the snow. Come on, Sneak. Come on. Roman's outside in the cold. I have clothes for him, but it doesn't matter because, like, it's so much snow that there's just so much snow that he could pretty much get lost in it. Like, so I'm maybe gonna turn my car on and leave him in the car. Is that bad? I don't think so. I think I'm gonna turn my car on because he wants to be outside, but it's so cold, so I don't want to leave him in the house, you know. I don't know, guys. He wants to be outside. Roman actually likes the snow, but this is so much snow, like there's no way he can just be out here in this cold. I'm gonna turn my car on. Ooh, I almost thought my car wasn't gonna come on, y'all. It's so insane.
She's looking in my eyes, and I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign? Uncle Charlie. Think about it, boy, leave her alone. You ain't no G. She likes my tone, my cologne, and the way I roll. You ain't no G.
It's legit, you know it's a hit when the Neptunes and the doggy dog finna spit. You know he's in tune with the season. Come in, baby, tell me why you leaving. Tell me if it's that you need, if you wanna breathe. I got the best minus C's.
Okay, guys, update. So we was outside shoveling. We was finally able to get the truck out of the driveway, and his friend went to go see if he could get a snowblower to make our drive a lot easier. So while he went to do that, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take a break and eat, cause I'm freezing and I'm hungry. So I just made some hot chocolate. There was a vlog that I was trying to upload, and it got copyright flagged. So now I'm gonna have to try to change the music or something like that. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna taking a break right now because we still have a lot more work to do. But we did make a way. So I'm gonna eat, but I just wanted to check in with y'all and let y'all know, because my camera had died while we were out there. But anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute.
I've been doing my own thing. Love